Welcome to Med Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Tonight, we are exposing a silent, systemic shutdown that is currently paralyzing the metabolisms of over 40 million Americans, and the traditional medical system is completely ignoring it. These people eat like a bird. They exercise until they drop, but their weight will not budge a single pound. They struggle with freezing cold hands, stubborn brain fog, and thinning hair. They go to their doctors, get a standard blood test, and are told, "Your TSH levels are completely normal, it's just your age." But clinically, your metabolism is dying. Your thyroid is the master thermostat of your body. But right now, everyday environmental toxins inside your home are quietly suffocating your thyroid receptors. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on clinical endocrinology. I am going to reveal the 4 hidden warning signs that your thyroid is failing, even if your blood work says you're fine, and the exact medical-grade protocol to unlock your cellular energy naturally. If you want to rescue your energy and reset your metabolism, do not miss a single second of this broadcast. To understand why your metabolism is blocked, we must examine the mechanical conversion failure of thyroid hormones. Your thyroid gland primarily produces a hormone called T4, which is completely inactive. Your body cannot use it for energy. To wake up your cells and burn fat, your liver and kidneys must mechanically convert that T4 into the active hormone T3. However, in our modern world, we are constantly exposed to hidden endocrine disruptors called halogens, specifically fluoride in your city water, chlorine in your showers, and bromide in commercial baked goods. Chemically, these toxins look identical to iodine. They bind to your thyroid receptors, completely locking out your real hormones. This creates a state of cellular hypothyroidism. Your blood labs look completely perfect because the hormones are floating in your blood, but mechanically, they cannot get inside your cells, leaving your mitochondria freezing, exhausted, and incapable of burning fat. Your endocrine system always leaves clear physical distress signals when your cellular metabolism drops. Check your body for these 4 hidden warning signs tonight. Sign number 1. The outer eyebrow thinning. Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your eyebrows. Is the outer third portion completely thinning out or disappearing? This is a classic textbook clinical sign of advanced thyroid hormone deficiency affecting your hair follicle cycles. Sign number 2, morning basal coldness. Do you wake up feeling freezing cold, especially in your hands and feet, even during the summer? When your active T3 levels are low, your body shuts down peripheral circulation to protect your core organs, slowing your basal metabolic rate to a crawl. Sign number 3, the afternoon energy crash and unmoved weight. Do you hit a massive wall of fatigue around 3 p.m. that requires caffeine or sugar to survive, combined with the fact that you gain weight just by looking at food? Your cellular engine is running on low voltage. Sign number 4, chronic constipation and sluggish digestion. Thyroid hormones dictate the muscular contractions of your digestive tract. If you go days without a healthy bowel movement, it is a direct mechanical indicator that your systemic metabolism has slowed down from top to bottom. Now, here is the clinical protocol to naturally reactivate your metabolic switch. You can detoxify your receptors and force your liver to convert active T3 effectively. Here is your daily protocol. Nutrient number 1, selenium and zinc synergy. Your body requires a specific enzyme called deiodinase to convert inactive T4 into active T3. This enzyme cannot function without adequate levels of selenium and zinc. Supplementing with these minerals serves as the mechanical key to unlocking active fat burning. Nutrient number 2, iodine via organic kelp. Iodine is the core molecular building block of thyroid hormones. Introducing high-quality clean sea kelp provides your body with the exact raw material it needs to push toxic halogens out of your receptors and rebuild healthy hormone density. Nutrient number 3, ashwagandha, the cortisol shield. High stress and elevated cortisol levels directly convert your thyroid hormones into an absolute dead-end hormone called reverse T3, which blocks weight loss. Ashwagandha clinically lowers cortisol, allowing healthy T3 production to resume. Nutrient number 4, the kitchen water filter upgrade. The simplest environmental fix is to install a high-quality water filter that specifically removes fluoride and chlorine from your drinking and showering water. Stop bathing your endocrine system in thyroid-killing chemicals every morning. You are not broken, and your stubborn weight isn't a failure of willpower. It is a hormonal communication failure that you now have the power to fix naturally. By cleaning your environment and fueling your cellular conversion, you can wake up your metabolism and reclaim your vitality. Before we close today's medical briefing, I want to hear from you. Do you suffer from cold hands or thinning eyebrows despite normal blood tests? Let's start an honest health conversation in the comments below. If you found this broadcast valuable, click the like button, share it with someone struggling with their weight, and subscribe to MedTalk Live for your weekly dose of science-backed longevity protocols. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Unlock your metabolism, and I will see you in our next medical deep dive.